So it's time to make dinner, even though we should probably pull out the chairs before we make dinner so people have to sit down. And, making marinade with meat. Wait, what are we making?
Fourth cup.
We have a measuring cup. We just put a measuring cup. Can I see? We're making get marinade. Get. Mom, is there pepper in here?
Alright.
Etc.
There's not a, probably not enough too.
Quarter cup?
It's a quarter cup. Yep. Okay. Quarter cup water? You almost poured that bottle of water on the computer and Toby.
I'm sorry!
And a quarter cup of oil. Okay, we'll do all that we want.
Okay.
Anyway. Somebody probably wants to fill up the pot with water so that we can have hot chocolate. We forgot to buy hot chocolate.
Never mind.
Never mind.
What are you doing?
One cup of oil. Okay. There's the hot chocolate. Sorry. You get my point.
That's a function. Stopping.
Yeah.
Stopping the and, Mom, you with your finger cut it open because Mom's intelligent. We're having a kebab thing with meat.
With marinated meat?
Yeah, it's marinated meat kebab thing.
Show the fireplace.
And then, okay, so I have to show this fireplace where all our meat is. What are you guys doing? What the stick?
I don't know what he's doing.
What are you doing with the stick? And so those are for kebab.
That's good cuisine.
Oh, we need some for dinner tomorrow night too. So, anyways, so those are the things. Marshmallows, yeah, see? See them?
Very cold ears.
Yeah, it's because I have no hair anymore. So yeah, that's what's going on. Oh yeah, vegetable soup. Because my boyfriend's Tom's a vegetarian. Danny's not a vegetarian. Daniel is. Daniel, you have to, yeah. So Tom's a vegetarian. So yeah, vegetable soup for him. So he's vegetarian. Then we have some soda. Yeah, so there's that meat. Oh yeah, we have some rolls. And that soup. Yeah, that's dinner.
Here's our campsite. We've cleaned up from dinner. It was really good. The kids have trudged off to unknown parts to find a bathroom. They've got to go way over to the state side. So I expect them to be a while. In the meantime, I'm just going to curl up right here in front of this fire and enjoy the peacefulness of the nice forest behind me as it starts to get dark out. And we will catch back up with you tomorrow. It's currently 8:30. I have a feeling it's going to be a very short night. Actually, you may catch us later. We're supposed to be roasting marshmallows when they get back. We'll see how tired they are.